Have you seen a decal setup so powerful, which can not only adjust the intensity of your textures but also gives you full control on how your decal should behave? Today I will teach you how to create perfect decal setup for both Unreal Engine and Blender. First we will learn how to create custom texture maps, then go over to use them in Unreal Engine and Blender, and finally we will turn this into a custom node setup which can be reused in any project, and that too without spending any money. So without further ado, let's begin. So this will be 3-part video series. In this first part, we will learn how to create custom texture maps. For this, we need any photo editing software like Photoshop and texture creating software Materialize. You will find a download link for Materialize in the description. First, let's download image. You can use Unsplash, Pixabay or Pexel. Basically, anywhere you can get a free image. For example, I am taking this image. After downloading, open your photo editing software. In my case, it is Photoshop. Create 1000 by 1000 artboard. Now this is very important step, so pay attention. Import your image and create a random shape which is going to be our decal shape. If you want, you can also make this edges smooth and then add a black background. This black represents transparency, meaning all this stuff in the black is going to be transparent. You can do some color adjustment to improve colors, as this is going to be our diffuse map, and then export. We have to go to this website, import our image and convert into a displacement map. Bring this displacement in Photoshop and mask only the selection and export again as our new displacement map. Open Materialize, load diffuse map, load your displacement into height map. You can now create a normal map, but make sure to tweak these values, as this is going to actually create that depth effect, and set as normal map. Click the smoothness map, which is our roughness, tweak values until it looks good and set as smoothness. Now select PNG and save project, which will save all your maps. Open your Photoshop again. We need to create these 3 maps: diffuse, normal and DPRA, which stands for displacement, roughness and alpha. That is our pack channel. First, let's make alpha map by duplicating our displacement and crunching curves a lot and make it more sharper like this. And we have alpha map. So we have diffuse, normal, alpha, displacement and smoothness map. For DPRA map, we have to combine our displacement, roughness and alpha as a packed channel. Make sure you layer them in this exact order: displacement in first layer, roughness in second layer and alpha in third layer. Open your first layer style and choose only red channel. Open your roughness layer style, choose only green channel, and finally open alpha layer style and choose only blue channel. You will see this strange looking texture, but export this as DPRA map. Another tip here: if it is green inside your decal, it means it is getting transparent. So change your curves value until it looks purple again. Now we have our diffuse, normal and DPRA texture ready to be used. And this is how to create custom texture maps for your decal setup. In the next video, we will learn how to create perfect decal setup in Unreal Engine. So if you don't want to miss, then like, share, hype and subscribe. I will meet you next time.